Hello everyone, this is Susan from Keheng. Today I'm going to introduce our products. 3.2 volt prismatic cell. Oh, it's so heavy. The material of this prismatic cell is lithium iron phosphate. In order to meet different customers' needs, our capacity is from 25 amp hour to 300 amp hour. The discharge rate is 1C to 3C. The advantage of the prismatic cell is longer life cycle with over 4,000 times. Portable with small size and more safe and environmental protection. Higher power discharge. Higher temperature resistance. Our batteries are brand new grade A products. Okay, please contact us for more details. Bye, see you next time.